The U.S. Supreme Court overturned this landmark decision that guaranteed abortion rights for around half a century. This will end the constitutional right to abortion for millions of women in the U.S. Shi-hoo has the latest.
The U.S. Supreme Court on Friday ended the constitutional right to abortion, overruling its landmark decisions that guaranteed millions of American women their reproductive rights. The ruling came in the case of Dobbs versus Jackson Women's Health Organization. In the case, the last abortion clinic in the state of Mississippi opposed state efforts to ban abortion after 15 weeks. The court held that the Constitution does not confer a right to abortion, overturning previous landmark decisions Roe v. Wade and Planned Parenthood v. Casey. Roe v. Wade has guaranteed absolute rights to abortion during the first 3 months of pregnancy for around half a century. Planned Parenthood v. Casey prevented states from banning abortion before fetal viability, generally within the first 24 weeks. However, the conservative majority court's ruling on Friday will now pave the way for individual states to ban abortion. Around half of the states are expected to introduce new restrictions or bans. 13 have passed what are called trigger laws to automatically outlaw abortion. Calling it a tragic error, President Joe Biden said that the court did not just limit, but instead has taken away a constitutional right.
That's never been done to a right so important to so many Americans. But they did it. It's a sad day for the court and for the country.
Meanwhile, demonstrators from both sides gathered outside the Supreme Court.
We have worked so hard, and I know that others before me have worked even harder. And so for the older generation of pro-lifers to see this today, I'm so grateful for them and their perseverance.
All they really care about is controlling and suppressing women.
In response to the ruling, the United Nations Sexual and Reproductive Health Agency said it feared more unsafe abortions would occur if access becomes more restricted. The World Health Organization echoed the message on social media, saying that removing access will put more women and girls at risk of illegal abortions and consequent safety issues that would bring. Shi-hoo, Arirang News.